Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara and today I'm with a new lesson. Learn basic Italian in just 15 minutes. Yes, in just 15 minutes. You can practice your Italian every day with me, with Sara, okay? If you want to practice your Italian every day, then you will love this channel. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Our first phrase is non capisco. Non capisco. I don't capisco understand. Next one is parli inglese. Parli inglese. Parli, do you speak inglese? English. Parli means do you speak inglese? English. If you are a beginner in Italian and you are traveling in Italy, then you can ask anyone, parli inglese? Do you speak English? Our next phrase is mi piace molto. Mi piace molto. I like it very much. Mi piace. I like it molto very much. There is mi piace means in English I like it molto very much. Mi piace, I like it. Mi, I, piace, like it, molto, very much. If you like something, you can say mi piace molto. Now let's move on to our next phrase. This one is very simple and you can remember it, okay? Mi piacerebbe, I would like. Mi piacerebbe. Mi piacerebbe, okay? Mi piacerebbe, I would like. Mi means I, piacerebbe, would like. Piacerebbe, would like. Mi piacerebbe, I would like. Now let's move on to our next phrase. And this one is posso aiutarti? Posso aiutarti? Posso, can I aiutarti? Help you. Posso, can I aiutarti? Help you. Can I help you? If you want to help someone, you can ask them. Posso aiutarti? Can I help you? The aiutarti word is derived from aiutare. Aiutare means help. Aiutarti, help you. Posso aiutarti? Can I help you? Now let's move on to our next phrase. This one is also a very simple and short one. A presto, see you soon. A presto, see you soon. You can remember this easily, okay? So please remember this today. A presto, see you. If you want to practice it, then pause the video and repeat it 1 or 2 times if you want. A presto, see you soon. And the next one is buona fortuna. Buona fortuna. Good luck. Buona, good. Fortuna, luck. If you want to wish someone a good luck, then you can say in Italian buona fortuna. Buona fortuna. Good luck. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Mi sono perso. Mi sono persa. When we talk about a man or a masculine, we will use mi sono perso. And when we talk about a girl, a woman, we will use mi sono persa. Mi sono persa. I'm lost. Mi sono perso. I'm lost. Mi sono, I am, perso, lost, persa, lost for girl, perso for masculine, and persa for feminine. Now the next one is ho fame, ho sete. Ho fame, I'm hungry. Ho sete, I'm thirsty. Fame, hungry. Sete, thirsty. O, I am. Ho fame, I'm hungry. Ho sete, I'm thirsty. If you want to practice it, then pause the video and practice it 1 or 2 times if you want. Okay? These are the short sentences. You can remember them easily today. Okay? Our next phrase is sto cercando un ristorante. I'm looking for a restaurant. If you're traveling to Italy and you feel hungry and you're in search of a restaurant, you can ask someone, Sto cercando un ristorante. Sto cercando un ristorante. I'm looking for, sto cercando. Cercando means looking for. Un ristorante, ristorante, restaurant. I'm looking for a restaurant. Sto cercando un ristorante. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Mi piacerebbe ordinare. Mi piacerebbe, I would like to order. Ordinare, order. Mi piacerebbe ordinare, I would like to order. You can use this sentence at the restaurant. Okay? Mi piacerebbe ordinare, I would like to order. I hope you are liking the video. Then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Let's move on to our next phrase. Next one is questo è delizioso. Questo è delizioso. This is delicious. Questo è, this is delizioso, delicious. Focus on the pronunciation, please. Delizioso, delizioso. Questo è delizioso. This is delicious. Next one is dove posso trovare un bancomat? Dove posso trovare un bancomat? Where can I find an ATM? Dove, where, posso, I can, trovare, find, an bancomat. ATM, bancomat, ATM. Dove posso trovare un bancomat? Where can I find an ATM? This sentence may help you in Italy when you're new into Italian. Okay? So please remember them. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Dove posso trovare un taxi? Dove posso trovare un taxi? Trovare, find. Dove posso, where can I find a taxi? Un taxi. Dove posso, where can trovare, I find un taxi, a taxi. If you are planning to traveling to Italy, then these phrases must help you. So don't forget to remember them, okay? And please don't forget to like my video. Let's move on to our next phrase. This one is mi scusi, excuse me, quanto costa questo? How much does this cost? Mi scusi, excuse me, quanto, how much costa questo? Does this cost? Questo means this, costa, cost, quanto, how much. How much does this cost? And mi scusi mean excuse me. Me, scusi, excuse, okay? Mi scusi, excuse me, quanto cuesta? Our next phrase is also very helpful. Ho bisogno di aiuto. Ho bisogno di aiuto. I need help. Ho bisogno di aiuto. Bisogno mean in English need. Ho bisogno di aiuto. Di aiuto, help. Aiuto, help. Ho bisogno di aiuto. I need help. Please practice that 1 or 2 times. Pause the video and practice it if you want. This phrase is very helpful. That's why I'm telling you to repeat it. Because when you're in trouble, you can ask someone in Italian, ho bisogno di aiuto, okay? Our next phrase is che tempo fa oggi? Che tempo fa oggi? What's the weather like today? Che tempo? What's the weather fa oggi like today? Che tempo fa oggi? Focus on the pronunciation, please. Che tempo fa oggi? What's the weather like today? Let's move on to our next phrase. Grazie per l'aiuto. If someone helps you in trouble, then you can answer them or you can be kind to them. Grazie per l'aiuto. Thank you for help. Grazie, thank you. Per, for, aiuto, the help. Grazie per l'aiuto. Thank you for the help. Our next phrase is very simple and the shortest one. Mi dispiace. I'm sorry. When you did something wrong or you feel guilty for something, you can say mi dispiace. Me, I am. Dispiace, sorry. Mi dispiace. I'm sorry. Dispiace, sorry. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Our next phrase is di niente. Di niente. It's nothing. When someone asks you, what's up? If you think nothing or you feel nothing, then you can say di niente. It's nothing. Niente means nothing. If you practice it, then please pause the video and practice it 1 or 2 times if you want. Now let's move on to our next phrase. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Our next phrase is Sono qui in vacanza. Sono qui in vacanza. I'm here on vacations. Vacanza, vacations. Sono, I am. Qui, here. Vacanza, vacation. Sono qui in vacanza. I'm here on vacation. And our next phrase is Arrivederci. Goodbye. Arrivederci. Arrivederci is a formal one to say goodbye. Ciao is the informal and the formal one is Arrivederci. Goodbye. You can use them in the offices or where you want to be more kind, okay? Arrivederci. Goodbye. This one is the shortest phrase you can remember today. So please remember it if you want. Arrivederci, goodbye. Our next phrase is Come va? Come va? How are you? This is our phrase. Come va? How are you? The simplest one is come stai and the formal one is come va. Come va? How are you? Or what's up? Next one is also a shortest one and the simplest one. Uscita, exit. Uscita, exit. When you're at the hospital or at the shopping center or at the airport, and if you want to exit that place and you're finding the way, then you just need to follow the exit uscita. Uscita. There is the board where the written is uscita, exit. Uscita means exit. And let's move on to our next phrase. Amico, amica. Amico for masculine. For the male friend, we will use amico. And for the feminine, and for the female friend, we use amica. Amico, amica, friend. Amico for masculine and amica for the feminine one. Amico, amica. It means friend. Next one is amore. Amore, love. Amore, love. Amore, love. Now let's move on to our next phrase. And next one is familia. Familia, family. Familia, family. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I post every day a video for practicing Italian. If you want to practice your Italian every day, then you will love this channel. Ciao, a presto. Ciao means bye. A presto means see you soon. Ciao, a presto. See you soon, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Arrivederci.